Is that your son?
You can give it to us so that we snap from it.
Wow. I made this.
You
No,
are
we
doing it.
made this.
It's on the video.
Yes.
Is it okay?
It's okay. It's going, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Where's the aunt?
The aunt. You could do some of her. Let me get her. Side to
Press
side.
it, no. Get straight forward like this. Press it gentle. Very difficult. Smooth.
Okay, press now.
Second.
Press it.
Press it.
Okay.
Also harder. Then you lift it up.
Oh, okay. I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
And it's awesome when you want the power.
Wow, what's that one mean? What's
That
symbol
is
is that?
the warrior, right?
Yeah, the water.
That's pretty.
Like this, yeah?
And now the other old heart. What's that old heart?
Oh, that one came out
this?
good.
So, Uruwe. I have to clean it.
Okay. So it could come out better.
Oh shit, we forgot the Sankofa. We're supposed to put the Sankofa, but
You want a sample for?
no, do the heart. We just do the Sankofa last. It's fine. Wait. It's backwards. Turn the heart the other way.
Where?
Yeah. See to match those. Wait, is he gonna get one more? Yeah, I want to put the Sankofa on the end.
So, for them, the man, black.
So which one last?
The Sankofa.
Right here? In the middle.
Yeah, mine's didn't stay, but it's okay. Yeah. Can you take it off? No, right? Go ahead. No, I'm gonna cut it. Put it in.
It's okay. Just leave it.
We are going to dry it up.
All right.
Let's go.
He said, let's go, let's go. Oh, they got dog over here chilling. Oh, then they take it and bring it
For
out.
the blue one, so I'm going to place it behind them.
So these are some, okay, all the people created.
Yeah.
I got two.
Please hold it for me.
And they let the sun bake it. How long it has to be in the sun?
10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. If the sun is shining, about 5 minutes time it will dry up.
Oh.
So let's go to my shop and I'll show you the
Oh, you gonna show me some more? You see how they do you?
My name is Richard and you?
Richard Eve or Sanika, whichever is easy.
Okay.
Oh, these are the
Have
ones
some
you
fruit.
made.
Yeah,
Oh, you got one with Obama face.
Yeah, it's the same price as the one you did. The same price you already made.
Why they look bigger? Oh,
You
these
have
are.
the bigger one. If you want me to join, I can join it for you. The bigger one like
Oh, but that's a print. That's not the sew.
this. We saw it. It's the strips,
No.
the one you did.
These are prints. We just left the Kente place, but they had it like this, but it was sewn, wasn't it?
No. It's the same. It's the same you used to do.
How much are these? These are the same?
Yeah, this one is 300. Because the reason why I'm saying it's 300, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 for 50 CD each will be 30, 350. So I've reduced it, making it 300. But if you give me a price and it is good for me, I will take it. Very nice.
No, but I don't want it.
You don't want it?
No.
I have a different strips. I have the white one. I have different designs there. You know this one, I've combined 7 strips.
That's 100?
100. No, even the ones you did The 2 is 100. That one is this 2.
So how much is this one?
You give me 280.
280?
Yeah.
I don't
The
have.
reason is
I don't
that-
have 280.
Let me calculate for you.
It's
The reason is
beautiful.
that
I would pay for it, but I don't
the
have
reason is that
280.
one straight costs 50
Well, the
cedi.
reason I'm telling you is I just spent my money, so.
So how
but
much
thank
do you want to
I
afford
only
me?
have
Add
100. It's okay.
100.
It's all right. Thank you, sir.
She's in.